Hey guys, what's up? It is Saturday and it is a beautiful day. You can see the sun shining and it is a much warmer fireball than it has been all winter. We actually got a little melting going on. We just sold our 550 bushel cart and I captured all the video for it, but the GoPro glitched and I didn't get the audio. So I'm so bummed. I can't tell you how bummed I am. But I wanted you guys to see it. We're gonna do a cinematic sequence and I wanted you to see at least the video part of it so that you can see what we had to go through. We had to pull it out of the ice and it was so slippery that the truck couldn't get traction. I hooked on with the Raptor here and we used a tow rope and it was like 10 tries to get it out. But we got it and he got going and we're really excited about that. And so enjoy this video. Sorry you didn't have the audio. It would have been amazing with it, but it is what it is. I should have checked the audio before I kept going. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We are here to help you if you're a farmer to keep on farming. If you are not a farmer, we appreciate you supporting your local farmers, especially with everything going on in the world right now. We need them more than ever. And so that's what we're all about, and we hope you are too. Hey, if you need another cart, we did sell the 550 bushel, but we do have the 340 bushel for now. Let us know. And if you have equipment for sale, let us know too. We are always looking to get that equipment from you if you're not going to use it anymore, and put it in someone's hands who will. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I'm out.